Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Yeah, I know, I don't have a life, so I have nothing else better to do. Alright, thanks for stopping by again. Before I start, I just want to tell you, watch the video until the end. I've got some bonus information for you, so watch the video all the way to the end. Alright, thanks for joining back. Well, just like you guys, I was out driving around in my Yukon, enjoying the day, listening to some really cool music, kicking back, relaxing as I'm driving. You know what I'm talking about. Then all of a sudden, there was no sound coming out of my radio. Dang! Then I noticed there was no lights coming on in my stereo. It seemed like I lost power to the stereo. Has this happened to you? Well, let me show you what happened to me and how I fixed it. So let's get to work. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire's at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box. You'll feel a little lip and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, you're going to look on the bottom right hand corner of the box, and what you're going to look for is a blue fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse. It's right where the red arrow's at. That is the fuse that powers your stereo. You can go to your auto parts store and pick these up for $1 or $2. Anyway, make sure it's not blown, and if it is, change it out. Now if you find that you put the fuse back in and it blows again, you probably have a more serious problem. You may want to take it to a shop and have them look at it. Now, here's another bonus that I was telling you about. Now, if you notice the stereo lights are on, but you're not getting any sound, then that's a different issue. Go ahead and click above on the right-hand corner, and it'll take you to that video that'll show you how to fix that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.